Good morning. It's Saturday the 15th of April 2023 and we are here at the Boardwalk Villas at Walt Disney World. Today we are off to Animal Kingdom for our last day at Animal Kingdom this trip.
I know, we've had so much fun, but we've just been doing it in like little bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Today we're going to try a full-on day. We have bought Genie Plus and we have made our first reservation at 7 AM, which is for Navi River Journey.
Yeah.
Those queues have been wild this trip, haven't they?
Yeah, so insane.
And also we are going to try and rope drop Flight of Passage rather than buy the individual lightning lane for it, but early entry does start at 7:30 and it is after 7 already, plus it's Run Disney weekend.
Yeah.
So we're not sure how the buses are going to go, but we'll play it by ear, try and get it done if we can. If not, we might be able to try it very last thing if the queues are crazy.
Yeah.
But we're going to try and fit as much as we can in today, aren't we?
Yeah. Before we go though, we'll show you what we've decided to wear today. So today I'm wearing a Jungle Book dress, which is from Zara. The belt is a Roxy belt bag, and I'm wearing my Skechers sandals today, and I've gone for my Disney Parks rose gold mini ears. So I've gone for this stitch dress, which was from EMP. The sandals are just my June ones, they're pretty comfy, and I have gone for my Mint Parks mini ears this morning. We are gonna also gonna take my Loungefly as well, just because we need a few bits and bobs. But we are gonna head for the bus now, and we will see you at Animal Kingdom.
Good morning, guys. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's also here. Great day.
Thank you.
September.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a Banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Unfortunately, Banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Navi and avatars can. In fact, the Navi have been riding on the backs of Banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on Banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. First, we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room.
So we're at Animal Kingdom. We came straight to the Avatar area, the Valley of Moara. to ride Flight of Passage, and actually the wait time wasn't too bad considering we were a little bit after rope drop this morning, weren't we?
Yeah, we probably waited about 45 minutes, so that's still pretty good.
Yeah. It was amazing as well.
Yeah,
we had
so
good positioning on the Banshee.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just such a good ride. We've only actually done standby a couple of times because we do usually pay for the lightning lane for that, but yeah, didn't need to today.
Didn't need to, that was really good. I am glad that we have got Genie Plus though, because we have got a lightning lane for the Navi River Journey, so I'm really looking forward to that because we've not done that yet this trip. So,
and it's an early lightning lane as well, which means that once we've used it, we can try and get another one straight away rather than waiting for the 2 hours.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll get something else. Hopefully maybe the safari.
Yeah, or Everest.
We'll have a look. We did just go into the shop because you do go through the shop on the way out of Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
We found these really cool treats. We've got some sort of like trail mix situation and some sort of sweets as well. Probably not going to be for breakfast. But yeah, we're going to snack on these through the day. But we've never seen these before, have we?
No, something new for us. We are probably going to get a night blossom a little bit later on as well. Yeah, we have to do a night blossom when we're in Pandora, don't we?
You relaxed now?
Very relaxed now. I love how relaxing it is. It's so fun. We're going to go to Creature Comforts now and get some breakfast.
I know, I'm so hungry. So we've just been to Creature Comforts and got our Starbucks.
Yeah.
They were all out of the allergy friendly donuts, which is a shame because that's become our sort of Animal Kingdom breakfast now. We are in our usual breakfast spot though, down past, if you go kind of past the Tamarins, you'll find it. Don't tell everyone because it's super quiet down here, but it is really, really relaxing and it's a lovely place to spend the morning and just listen to the waterfalls and the music, and there's also the tortoise that are around here as well. So we're just going to drink our coffee, and then we have a lightning lane for safari. Yep. So we're going to go and check out all the animals on safari and hope it's a good one. It's like they're having a race. Yeah. Which one's going to win? And they're off.
It is Grand National Day.
It is Grand National Day. This is our version of the Grand National.
Like perfect formation.
I know. Look at them go. It's very dramatic music.
Attention all adventurers! Look now to the Discovery River to seek a beat of billionaire explorer Scrooge McDuck and his loyal pilot companion, Walt The bird-seeking duo has made the journey all the way from Duckford to behold the one-of-a-kind Tree of Life and its legendary animal depictions. And Scrooge is determined to discover them all. Anyone dare to join him?
My favorite animal out here on the reserve are those tan antelope there with the horns. Those are elands. Elands are the biggest type of antelope. They can reach heights of up to 6 feet at the shoulder. They tend to like to live more at higher elevations, like in the mountains.
There's 2 giraffes coming across.
There we go. Keep your hands in. Up ahead, these brown and white dappled animals with the big horns. These are Ankoli cattle, also known as Watusi cattle for the Watusi people of Africa who first met. Now right here on our right, this is a great opportunity to show you some of those similarities that giraffes share with okapis. You can see that tongue, prehensile tongue, and also the ossicones, those knobs on top of the head. But despite having such a long neck, they only have 7 vertebrae in their neck, the same as you and I do. Now giraffes only sleep about 30 minutes a day.
So close.
That's all they need.
I've never seen so many giraffes in all my life. I know.
And somewhere up ahead. But rhinos will actually make these pits. We got an ostrich, but we also got a cheetah. Cheetah's on our left.
It's looking at the ostrich.
The cheetah is right here, directly on our left. Yep. So cheetahs are actually the fastest land animal. They can reach speeds of up to 70 miles an hour. And they can go 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. That's 2 seconds faster than the rock and roll. Nice, we got a couple lionesses and a male lion. And lions, they're doing what they do best, just lying around. They actually spend up to 20 hours a day resting like this. Yeah, and they're more active at night, which is when they do most of their hunting. And it's actually the lionesses who do the majority of the hunting.
Doesn't that gully make it where they can't come over on this side?
Yeah. White rhinos will feed more on grass, so they have a wider upper lip, so they can grab more blades of grass with each bite. And that wide upper lip is actually, we got our warden here taking care of our ostriches. These are actually female ostriches. You can tell that from the coloration of their feathers. They have brown feathers.
One of the best safaris I've ever done.
Yeah, the animals were so close.
And the giraffes came right by the truck, and yeah, we got a really good look at all the animals, didn't we?
Yeah.
We have come and grabbed some breakfast from the, is it Heron Bay Fruit Market?
I think so, yeah.
It's the first time we've ever bought anything from there, but we've gone super healthy. We've got some fruit.
Yeah.
So we're going to enjoy this. We did book a lightning lane for the Festival of Lion King, but we'd already missed the start of our window by still being on safari, so we've modified that to the next one. And we've also just caught a quick glimpse of the acrobats as well, who've now moved to a much better location where they can spread out a bit more as well. They were awesome, weren't they?
Yeah.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
How you doing? Don't worry, you're all welcome up here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing? Hello, Cobra! Look at me, I'm in a parade. It's looking good. Love you, Cobra. What about you? Well, I just can't wait to meet you. There he is, the
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on top.
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go!
March festival of the Lion King made us cry again.
Oh my gosh, that's the most I've cried all holiday.
Yeah.
The gift was absolutely incredible, wasn't
like
it?
amazing, like
So good.
another level.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just amazing as always. We are going to head to our next lightning lane, which is to meet Mickey and Minnie in their safari outfits. So we're going to go and do that, and then maybe look for some food because it is now lunchtime. So we're going to see what we can eat. Oh, listen to them. They're talking to each other. Aww. Hi Mickey, hi Minnie. You look amazing. I like your hats. Very nice. Oh, thanks Mickey. Hi Mickey. Have you been adventuring? Yeah. What have you been up to? Have you been on safari? Oh, so cool. You've not been driving it, Mickey. Oh my goodness. Oh no, she's not been driving it. You're doing your best, aren't you, Mickey? Yeah.
How about a picture of just Mickey and Minnie together?
Amazing. So cute.
So cute.
Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Aw. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. So we've come to the Yak and Yeti local cafes, which is the quick service next to the Yak and Yeti restaurant. We've got 2 side orders. It's the only thing we could really have being gluten and dairy free from here, but it looks amazing. And it was actually a special request, so I asked if we could do it gluten and dairy free, and he said yes. It's the chicken stir fry rice or something like that. Chicken fried rice. And we got a portion each. It was, I can't remember how much it was. I think it was about $7 each. But I think this is going to be lunch, and then Saturi canteen for dinner.
go. Look at that. Number 4 and 6. Heading towards the halfway mark. Number 6 is leading. Number 4 is staying behind. 13 is trying to catch up. And it's 6 now heading towards the finish line. 13 just across the halfway mark. It's a close race now between 6 and 4. Neck to neck. They are neck to neck. First one across the finish line is 6. Thank you for playing.
So we've just been on Expedition Everest. The wait times are really good today. We just walked on with the lightning lane, but yeah, it's much quieter than it has been the last 2 weeks. Yeah, we probably didn't need Genie Plus today, but you just never know. So I'm glad we got it anyway, because the main thing we got it for was Navi River Journey, which is a massive wait time. Yeah, today. That's still a good wait. Yeah. So yeah, we really love Expedition Everest. That was really fun. And we've just come over to Dino Land. We've played the carnival games. The Mammoth Marathon is our favourite. It's $6 for a go, so it's not cheap, but yeah, it's really fun. And maybe the last time we'll ever play it. Yeah, this area is looking earmarked for refurb. Could be a completely different land. They could close at any time.
Yeah, we just don't know.
Yeah, so we decided to have our last go on our favourite game, and I lost the first game, and then there was no challenges for H's game, so we just went and got another ticket and played each other. So we got a little prize.
Yeah, very cute.
Yeah, very cute, and a really good memento as well, just in case Dino Land is no more. But we are going to go on Dinosaur next, because we've got another lightning lane. I think it's a low wait time anyway, but that should mean it's a walk on. Yeah. And then we might have a go on a ride that we've not been on for quite some time, the Triceratops spin ride. Yeah. That I think it's only about a 5-minute wait. So yeah, we're just having a very chill day.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon. Here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period.
Seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom! You're back with one additional passenger, extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me. What could go wrong?
So cute.
coming in from all different directions, right? And then there's one really cool are out here as well. We have a couple babies in this walk, and they join the ride. If you're fun, you can check it out. Let's talk
Generations to come. Enjoy the rest of your adventures here at Disney's.
Busy afternoon, haven't we?
Yeah.
We did head over and use our lightning lane for Dinosaur.
Yeah.
There was completely no wait for that anyway. But yeah, it was such a fun ride. It's the one we always forget we love so much.
Yeah.
And then we leave it to last minute and then go on it and wish we'd gone on it more.
Yeah, definitely.
We also did the Triceratops spin as well, which we don't usually do. But that was a 5-minute wait, so we thought we'd do that as well. And yeah, then on the way back, we did watch some of the Viva Gaia band, which are really cool, aren't they? Yeah, so good, and they've got loads more show times than they used to have, so it's really fun, and everyone loves dancing, but it was very hot over there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was hot.
And then we headed and saw the last showing of the bird show in front of the Tree of Life.
The winged encounters.
Yeah, it's always really lovely to hear like all about the all the birds, and to see them flying overhead. One got super close to us.
Yeah, it was really close.
But yeah, they are so beautiful, so I'm really happy that we caught that. And yeah, we just headed back over to Pandora, grabbed ourselves one more Night Blossom, which we drank before I think we even took a photo of because we were so ready for them, it was so warm. But yeah, we have had the best day in Animal Kingdom, and it's just, we've been a couple of times on this trip and just like done a little bit here and a little bit there just because of the crowd levels. We can't believe the difference in crowd levels today compared to our other couple of trips over here.
Yeah, it's so different. It's definitely quieter. It's reflected in the wait times, but also being able to like wander around on the path without having to like maneuver around lots of people. So yeah, it's definitely been different like today than it has been for the other days.
Yeah, much more chill today.
Yeah. Favourites from today?
I can't choose because we had an amazing safari. Flight of Passage is always amazing. We had a brilliant showing of Festival Lion King. Yeah, we fit so much in.
Yeah, we have. I think mine, and I think it pretty much always is my favourite here, but I think Festival Lion King for me. It was such a good cast today and a really good atmosphere, like all the people around us and everyone was really into it. So yeah, that was my favourite.
It's just been so fun. One thing we do wish is that they would bring the entertainment back to Pandora. But other than that, like a lot of things have come back now and it's really lovely to see. So we've had the best time.
We have. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. And if you're not already subscribed, then please do, and check out our other park days and resort room tours and reviews and things as well. Yeah, we've had the best time. It's been a fantastic trip, and yeah, so do keep your eyes peeled for more videos. If you do want to get in touch with us, you can do it here in the comments, or if you want to message us on Instagram, we're on there as well.
Thanks for watching.
Have a magical day.